Welcome to our comprehensive guide on Jigso AI, where we'll explore how to automate tasks and receive Slack alerts like a pro. Task automation can drastically enhance productivity by streamlining workflows, reducing errors, and saving valuable time. Let's walk through the setup process for Jigso AI. It's simple and user-friendly, perfect for all skill levels. Jigso AI works seamlessly with Slack, allowing you to receive real-time alerts about your tasks directly within your team's communication hub. Now, let's create custom notifications in Slack using Jigso AI to ensure you never miss critical updates. Here are some examples of tasks you can automate using Jigso AI, such as sending reminders, managing emails, and much more. Adopting best practices can help maximize your productivity with Jigso AI. Let's take a closer look at some effective strategies. If you encounter any common issues while integrating Jigso AI and Slack, don't worry. Here are some troubleshooting tips to help you out. Let's hear from some users who have successfully integrated Jigso AI into their workflows and the positive impacts it's made. Thanks for watching. Try Jigso AI today and revolutionize your task automation and notifications with ease.